Well, it's Friday, and that means it's time for your weekly update on Watersafe Swim School Long Beach. I don't even know where to start this week, so let's get right to it. Front of the building's been painted. It's the same color, but it looks nice. And early next week, our front lawn project gets completed. There's so many things that have happened this week already. As you can see, our rubber flooring is in all throughout the reception area, and our rubber flooring is also installed in our changing rooms and all of our employee areas as well. The reason we chose this flooring is, number one, because it is anti-slip, which is really important for a swim school. It's also antimicrobial, and it's a little padded for those toddler stumbles that happen every once in a while. They're a little messy right now, but our bathrooms are actually near completion. We just need our hand dryers and our baby seats and a few other ADA modifications, and they are ready to go. We have 2 bathrooms in the reception area, and then we have another bathroom poolside for those emergencies. Our reception desk is installed now, and I believe this week we are waiting for the countertop subcontractor to come in, take his measurements, and then this area will be almost done. Then we just need the slat wall for our pro shop there, a few bits of signage in the back. Reception is ready to go. Our mermaid shower is finally completed, and we're just so excited about the way this turned out. There are 2 showers in here, in addition to the 3rd shower, which is on the other side of the pool. Well, as I promised last week, we finally have water in the pool. The plaster is in, the pool is filling up, and this week we have some very special guests. And the first 2 people in our brand new Long Beach pool are our Long Beach managers.
Oh, that's it. I was like, oh, no.
Well, that's all for this week. As you can see, we are getting very close to the opening of Watersafe Swim School Long Beach. So follow us on social media, and don't forget to check out our website at watersafe.com for the latest construction photos and videos. And be ready for that announcement of the grand opening date of Watersafe Swim School Long Beach. We'll see you soon.